Hey everybody, hi and welcome, and thank you for joining me and the sidekicks for today's video. So the entire Happy crew is present, although Cena's now had to film several videos and she's not happy about it. So she'd be hiding over here in the corner. Not sure if you're going to see her or not. Wyatt's exhausted from, how heavily he's had to work. Not at all. So you're probably just going to see him lying on the couch throughout this video. So it's okay. I got it. So for today, I am excited because I did a little bit of Evereve shopping during their summer clearance sale. So all of the items I'm going to share with you today are part of that clearance sale. Everything I got was relatively inexpensive. I say relatively because it would have been better if it was even cheaper. Okay, and don't forget, if you had spent at least $100 during that March through Memorial Day time frame, pretty much like the COVID March, when COVID hit time frame and stores had to close until Memorial Day, they were offering the 2020 pass. So if you spent $100, you got the 2020 pass, which was 10% off everything you purchase now through the end of the year, I believe is how it's going to work. So that means that through Tencent or Evereve, as long as you spend $100, you get an extra 10% off anything you buy. And that included these purchases that I got during the clearance sale. So we'll run through them real quick. I'll tell you the prices that I paid for these items, and then we'll go right to the try on. So no further ado, let's dig in. I have 5 items to share with you today. So first up is this little very soft sweatshirt from Sol Angeles. I thought this was just adorable. I love the colors in this. Thought it'd be great for transitioning or cool evenings now. I wish you guys could feel how soft this is. But how pretty are these colors? If any of you already got this in a trend send, or if you already shopped for it and got it, please tell me what you think of it. So the price tag on this says it was $110 originally, and then it says it's marked down to $59.99. I paid $43.19 for it. So it must have been a little bit more marked down, plus I got the 10% off. So compared to $119 or $110, $43.19 feels really good. So that's the first item. Next up, we have a jumpsuit. I was thinking like transitional pieces when I was shopping it. I didn't want to, buy any more like, I don't know, pure summer pieces. So this I thought was really cute. It's by Peyton Jensen, and it's a little gray and black jumpsuit with the little crossover top. It is pants, has the tie waist. So the original price on this is $108. This one's a really good deal. $108, and you can see it was marked down to $29.99, and I got it for $21.59, less than $22. So I thought it was definitely worth giving it a try. That's item 2. Item 3 is a little t-shirt. I just loved it. It's by Suburban Riot. Original price on it was $38, marked down to $19.99. And I paid $14.39 for it, so I had to have it. I just liked it. The little Paradiso saying on it. Let me hide the tag so you can see it. The wave, beachy. I just thought it would be cute. Every once in a while, I just want a black and white tee to wear underneath something colorful. So with jacket season quickly approaching again, I thought this one might be cute to grab at that price. All right, last clothing item is by Cloth and Stone, and I thought the colors in this were just so pretty. Let me get this. What did you guys think of this? That was just so pretty. Love the little bit of the fringe at the bottom. Comes in a little bit at the top, has the keyhole in the back. The original price on this, $78. Marked down to $39.99, and I paid $28.79. All right, that's it for the clothing. I did get 1 pair of shoes, which I have to tell you, I did already try these on because I was so curious. I'm in love with these. These are by, let me see if I can get the pricing for you. Kenneth Cole. They're a wedge. I'm in love with wedges this year. Snake print wedge. How fun are these? I love these. The original price, do I know what oh, here it is. Yep. So the original price on these is $135. And then it looks like they're marked down to $99.99, but I only paid $71.99. I'm kind of in love with these. I already tried them on. I love them, but I'll try them on again for you. And that's all the pieces. So I know I love these, but not sure about this stuff yet. So let's get right to it. Okay, so I have the first outfit on, which is this fun little t-shirt. And I actually really do like it. It has a nice lower neckline. A lot of times I will like fold up this hem a little bit on the arm just because I think it looks a little bit more feminine if I do that. You can see the difference. You can tell me if I'm crazy or not, but I kind of like this just a little bit better. It shortens it. And I did a front tuck just into these jean shorts, which I just grabbed. These are just a Liverpool jean short that I really like. And I put on my shoes. What do you guys think of these shoes? I love them. Fun print and comfortable. Love the wedge. Give me a little bit of a heel without making me feel like I'm too tall. And, you know, wearing like a really high stiletto or anything. But they have a nice, probably what, 3.5 inch heel. So I love it. Yeah, I'm liking this. A little bit closer. I like them. I like both. I think these are both really great pieces. All right. So next up is this super soft sweatshirt. This sweatshirt is so comfortable. Now, I will warn you, the arms are a little bit more slim fitting, so a little bit tighter here. They're not loose, but they are a little bit more snug. Doesn't bother me. I really like this. I think this would be great even for layering. So I like that they're a little bit snugger so I can wear this longer through the season and into winter under jackets because I just love this print. But I just wanted you to be aware. This does have a nice band here at the bottom that is not loose. It is a little bit tighter as well. But other than that, it is much more blousy throughout the body, but not boxy, which I like. I still have the shoes on. I'm going to wear them throughout the video. Just because I want to see if these are comfortable or not. So far, so good. And I like this. I'll get closer. Such pretty colors. Okay. The cloth and stone top is next. It has a little bit of wrinkles. Sorry about that. Love the little fringe at the bottom, and I actually think it looks really pretty the way it kind of cuts in here at the top. Has the rounded neckline, and I do have some room here at the bottom, but it doesn't create a boxy look, I don't think. You guys can tell me if you see that. It doesn't really hang out in the front, I don't think either, which is nice, so it's not sticking out. Love the colors in this. The colors are really pretty with that almost like lemony yellow, or it's a very nice shade of yellow and the gray and the blue and the white. Very pretty. This is, I like this one. Very summery, but I think this would also look nice as a underlayer into the fall. Yeah, pretty. Be nice with jeans and booties. You excited, Wyatt? Do you like it? Nothing. Okay, and I have one more outfit to share. So the last outfit is this jumpsuit. It's in the fun gray and black, little geometric shapes here, and it does have pockets. It's a little looser fitting at the top, which is fun. to offset the bottom, which is more form-fitting. You can see even at the legs, it makes more for a form-fitting leg. Has little slits at the ankle. And I kind of like this. It does have a modesty snap here at the top. And I feel like you could dress this up with a cardigan or jacket, heels if you wanted to, or keep it casual with tennis shoes or flip-flops like I have on right now. You could swap out the belt if you wanted to. There's a lot of different things I think you could do with this. It does have a wonderful stretch to it. It's comfy fabric. For $21.59 or whatever it was, I think this is a cute little jumpsuit. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Here's a little bit closer up. And that's all my pieces. So I think this would be a great, this is a great outfit going into fall. So I loved my picks. I'm pretty happy. I think everything was a winner. I don't think I'm going to return anything. I would love to see this with a pink jacket over top of it. I'm thinking maybe my pink blazer that I got in one of my trend sends would look really pretty over top of this jumpsuit. And this is just fun. So soft and comfy. Also would go well under jackets, I think, as I transitioned fall, winter. T-shirt. Just fun. It was only $14. It's worth keeping. The colors in this are just beautiful, and the wedges, I'm just loving them too. So I loved this haul. So I can't wait to hear your thoughts on these pieces. Do you have a favorite? Did you like them? I really do love shopping the Evereve sales whenever they have like their clearance sales, because then things are always like deeply discounted. And then having the 2020 pass on top of it to get the extra 10% makes it so much more fun. I'll list all these items down below in case you want to check any of them out. I would love to hear if you have any favorites. What did you like? How do you think they looked? So please comment down below and share your thoughts with me. I can't wait to read them. That's my very favorite part of doing these videos. Hope everyone is doing well. Until next time, bye everybody.